Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today there is a helicopter flying around our house, and as you can see it's so weird right now, but I don't know. But you can see up there, it is so cool, but I'm gonna follow them. They're going all the way down the road and all the way back. So, yeah. And as you guys can see, it's still circling. I'm gonna be walking through a tree right now. There it goes. Actually pretty low, and it's weird, they usually don't do that around fall time, but I mean, they gotta check the power lines, right? Yeah, but it might be life flights. It can be a lot of things. So I'm just walking out to the balcony. Well, not balcony, but it's above our pool. And as you can tell, they are right there. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.